Hi, this is Patty. Welcome to Patty's Kitchen. I am about to do a fruit salad. We're gonna make it happen. Okay, this is the bowl that I'm going to mix it in. And these are the fruits, some of the fruits that I have here. And let me tell you what they are. I have mango, pineapple, dried cherries, raisins, I have grapes and blueberries. I have the red grapes and green grapes and blueberries. And I will have to cut up I have one Granny Smith apple that I'm going to chop up, one pear, and two delicious red apples. And this is the fruit that I already have. I've washed it and everything. I've washed these apples and this pear, and I'm going to cut this like so. Okay. This is the delicious red apple. And I'm going to slice. And I have the peeling still on them. I'm not real good with this knife, but we're gonna make it happen, okay? Okay, let's see here. I'm going to chop these. My hands are clean and washed. Okay, I'm cutting these in cubes. Okay, I push them aside. As I said, I'm not very good with the knife, but I'm getting better. Okay, we'll chop all of this, cube it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to chop, cube. How's everybody's Sunday going today? Everybody's getting ready for Christmas, the holidays, or what have you. It's a good time to be off work if you work out. I don't work any longer. I'm retired, so I'm just in the kitchen making these meals. Okay, now that's one red delicious apple, and this is the next one. I love red delicious apples. I do. Okay, I'm going to cube this one. Okay. And some of this, the red dye from the peeling has bled through to the apple, but it is still good. Okay, got all of this here. All right. For those of you who do Christmas shopping, have you done all of your shopping? Feel free to make comments, ask questions, because we're all in this together. We're all learning some things. We don't all know how to cook everything, and we don't all cook everything alike. It depends on the region where you came from as to how you prepare some certain dishes. My native home is southeastern Louisiana, right outside of New Orleans. I had some good cooks in my family. Grandmothers, aunties, all could cook very well. Great aunts, yes. All of them were very good cooks. My mother, even my dad was a good cook. Yes, he was. Okay. It's taking me a little while with this knife. Have to be careful. Don't want to cut my finger because it's very sharp. Okay, just trying to cube these so I can put these all in my salad. And this is the pear. And all of these have been washed, so don't worry about that. They all have been washed. And I just had some fruits in the fridge, and I don't want them to spoil. So I just decided, I know what I could do. I can make a fruit salad. You can eat a fruit salad anytime. Okay, you can use whatever fruits you desire. I'm just using some that I have some fresh ones here and frozen. Pineapples, mangoes, and blueberries are all frozen. And I have raisins in it. As I told you, trying to see what else. Dried cherries. I had some dried cherries, so I threw them in too. This should be real good. Okay, see what I have here? Okay, I'll move all of this out the way to go in the garbage. All the seeds and everything I don't need. Okay, and this is, let me let you see what I have on my chopping board here. The fruits that I just chopped. Here they are. See that? Don't they look delicious? These are my fruits. So this is my bowl, and I'm going to put all of my fruits that I've just cubed in the bowl here. And as I said, my hands are impeccably clean. I've washed them with soap and the brush. So, and that's why I don't have long nails, because I cook and I don't want to interfere with the cleanliness and sanitation of my food. Okay, now in this bowl, I have mixed an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese and about 1/4 cup of sour cream, a little bit of whipping cream, didn't measure it, just kind of eyeballed it, about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to put this mixture in this bowl with the fruits and mix it all up. I don't like to waste anything. I try to scrape everything out of the bowl, not leaving anything behind as best I can. I want to get every bit. And I didn't have any flavored cream cheese, so I used plain, but I put the sugar in it. And I'm going to mix this up like so. Let me get my spoon here. Let me try doing it with my spoon. I don't like it too soggy. I want it covered. I may have to add a little bit more of sour cream. I don't want it soupy though. Maybe okay. Oh, I'm going to put a few pecans in it. Let me do that. I have some pecans here. I'm going to chop up and put in here just a few. I like a few pecans in mine. Okay. Some of them, most of them are chopped. Just a handful. Chopping up a handful of these pecans to put in my salad. Just a handful. Oh, this is going to be good. It is. I think I have enough of everything in here. As I said, I don't want it too soggy. Okay, look at that. See that fruit salad? Now let me clean up my chopping board here. I like to clean as I go, so when I'm done, I won't have that much to do. On the floor here. Okay, this is my bowl that I'm going to put it in. Well, let me taste a little bit first before, to see if there's anything I need to add. Let me see here. It is so good. I don't need to add anything. So good. I'm gonna put just a little bit, just a drop of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, a tad bit of sugar. Those pecans Now let's put it in the bowl. Make sure my bowl is dry. Mm-hmm. Need to get every bit that I can get out of this pan here. My cameraman has left, who is my grandson, Tyler. Tyler's 14, and he helps me with the electronics a lot. He's my cameraman. He set everything up, but he had to go with his mom somewhere. So when he comes back, I will be done with this dish. I'm gonna sprinkle a few pecans on top. They're chopped for the most part. I must not have closed the refrigerator tightly. That's exactly what I didn't do. And that's the sound that you heard. Put a few pecans on here. This fruit salad. Oh, this fruit salad looks delicious and it tastes so good. You can have a nice fruit salad anytime. Okay, here you go. Look at that. Beautiful. It is so delicious. So, so delicious. You can do this too. Just follow my instructions and you can do it as well. Thank you so much for joining us today. I appreciate your business. I appreciate your subscriptions, your likes, your shares, your comments. And again, this is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen, and thank you, and we will see you soon. Goodbye.